Hey guys, today we are diving into the art of mastering sales calls because let's face it, acquiring clients is the lifeblood of any successful contact center or BPO business. Whether you are a seasoned sales pro or just starting out, these techniques will help you to close more deals and grow your business. First, let's talk about the preparation. Before you even pick up the phone, do your homework, research your prospect's business, understand their pain points and challenges, and tailor your approach accordingly. The more prepared you are, the more confident and credible you will become on your phone call. By the way, I'm in California and I'm heading to Las Vegas to attend one of the industry expo on BPO and contact center industry for 2 days. So in case if you're associated with the BPO and contact center industry, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to keep watching these videos about our industry. Next we have is about active listening. Remember, a successful sales call is not about talking, it's about listening. Ask open-ended questions, listen attentively to their responses, and demonstrate empathy and understanding. This will help you uncover valuable insights and position your services as a solution to their problem. Now let's talk about the value proposition. Clearly articulate the value proposition of your services and how they address the specific challenges faced by your prospect. Focus on the benefits and outcomes your services can deliver rather than just listing features. Make it clear why choosing your company is the best decision for their business. Now, moving on to handling objections. It's natural for prospects to have concerns or objections during the sales process. Instead of avoiding or dismissing them, address them head on with confidence and empathy. Understand the root cause of the objection, provide relevant information or reassurance, and guide the prospect towards a positive resolution. Now let's discuss about the closing techniques. The ultimate goal of any sales call is to secure a commitment from the prospect. Use closing techniques such as trial closes, assumptive closes, or summarizing the benefits of nudge the prospect towards making a decision. Be confident but not pushy, and always respect the prospect's timeline and preferences. And last but certainly not the least, let's talk about the follow-ups, which is very important. After the call, send a personalized follow-up email or message thanking the prospect for their time, summarizing the key points discussed, and tell them the next steps. Stay in touch with regular communication to nurture the relationship and keep the momentum going. And there you have it, some key techniques for mastering sales calls and acquiring clients effectively. Whether you are focusing on preparation, active listening, value proposition, objection handling, or closing techniques or follow-ups, the goal is to build trust and add value and ultimately win business for your contact center or BPO business. I'm at San Francisco Airport and I'm heading to Las Vegas to attend Industry Expo on contact center and BPO business. If you're associated with BPO industry, make sure to subscribe to this channel, share these videos to at least few people in our industry, and give a thumbs up. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.